Every time I come in here, I discover some new gem. He opened one of the cabinets and pulled out a leather-bound book. See, look at that. How beautiful is that? I love old books, she confessed. Me too. I collect first editions, anything by Fitzgerald, Hemingway, the usual suspects. You, mostly poetry. See, Sylvia Plath. Have you read her? She nodded. Favorite poem? Probably Daddy. What about you? Oh, I don't know. There's so many. Suddenly self-conscious, she looked around. Can we go somewhere quieter? I feel like I'm disturbing the peace in here. Of course. I'm sorry. I get so excited in here. It's my sanctuary. I should take you someplace nicer. A cafe or something. No, it's fine. Let's go someplace quiet. I need to tell you something. As they left the store, Lawrence took a deep breath. Here we are, he said. Where are we? She asked. We're in the West Village. You haven't been here before, have you? No, but it looks nice. Quiet. I like it. Yeah, me too. That's why I moved here. So, do you want to grab a bite to eat? I know a great little Italian place nearby. I'd like that, she said. Good. He smiled, relieved. I was afraid you were gone, say you were in a rush to go home or something. Why would you think that? You seem so I don't know, poised. You give the impression you're always in a hurry. That's funny. I was thinking the same thing about you. You seem so spontaneous. Free. I am, he said simply. And you? Spontaneous. I'm not so sure about that. Oh, I know you are. I can see it in your eyes. He took a step closer. I know I don't know you, but I feel like I've known you forever. It's amazing. Like we're meant to be here at this moment. I feel that too, she whispered. You're a rare one. You know that. What do you mean? You're not like the other women I've dated. What do you mean? You're real. Are you trying to be romantic? Maybe I am. He took another step closer, his eyes boring into hers. Sarah, she breathed his name, feeling the unfamiliar heat rising within her, coursing through her veins.